So this is the Bose SoundLink Max. If I turn it on, as you can see, it connects with the device, but the light keeps going from amber to white. Okay, so what that basically means, as per Bose, is the fact that your speaker has some kind of water damage. Let me show you. So it says charging is unavailable. Okay, so if I was to press this, it then says that if moisture is detected in the speaker, the battery light blinks amber and white. Wait for moisture to dry before connecting. It may take several hours. It has been a month. Okay, it's been a month or month and a half, and this doesn't go away. Now if this is happening to you, you will have to take it to the service center. There's no way any water has got into the speaker. This is the charging socket. There's no way any water has gotten into it. I have waited a month and a half, but it continues to happen. And I can connect a charging cable and I can charge it anyway. I can ignore this, I can skip it and charge it anyway. Or else, if this is happening to you, this is what you can do. But please know, I'll give you a temporary fix for it, but the issue will happen again. Temporary fix is to hold.
Ready to connect. Download the Bose app to access more features and future updates.
So basically I now have to reconnect to this. I forget the device. I go all the way down and I should be able to see Bose SoundLink Max. I don't have the time of the day.
Ready to connect.
Or time in my life to go and show it to a Bose service center. Who goes out of the house anymore? Anyway, as you can see, it's basically fixed the issue for now, but it will happen again.
Battery 20%. Ready to connect.
So yeah, this was just a video of how to temporarily alleviate your situation. In my case, it's repeating itself, so I'm not sure what's gone wrong. I'll have to take it to a service center because factory reset is not working. And I've reset it. This is the third time I've reset it. It's just bothersome when you spend 40 grand on a speaker and then you have to face all this. If you have any suggestions, please let me know. Thank you. Bye. If you're using an iPhone, you may have to switch off the Bluetooth and then it'll finally see the device and connect to it. But again, dude, it's just bothersome.